But now what's to stop?
Hey guys, it's Scorpion Killer here. I'm assembling a controller right now that I was tried to fix and see if I fixed it. If I fixed the problem, this joystick would get stuck, so like it would get pretty annoying when I'd use it to play it with. So right now I'm trying to take this top off so I can put the screw ins and then connect it to the Xbox and then see if it works, and if it doesn't, well, I'm pretty much screwed. But at the same time, I didn't break it. I'm just screwed, but because there's no other thing I can, unless I take it to a store where they can fix it. Don't mind the faces, I just don't want to break it more. Right there, guys. Took it off. But all that dirt. I think all these are screws, so boom, one in the middle. Take my little screwdriver thingy. Just make sure you even it real good, because if you don't, you might mess up the inside of the controller. Okay, here it is. I had the wrong sizing. Gotta make sure it's tight. And then you start putting, here's another one. Here's another screw you gotta put in, another screw right here, another one right here, and another one right here. Two out of 5. There's 3 more left. Tight. Not too tight, but tight, you know, where it doesn't come loose, because you don't want to mess up something. It's a small screw. I don't think that one belongs here. Oh, this one goes here. What the hell? Now I found the missing screw. Oh shit. one more. One more screw. And then it's good, and then I put the tops back on. There you go. On the tops. This one goes over here. Until you hear that click and it goes. And all set. Now this one I use mostly, so I was, took it apart, and then I need to see if there's any dust, anything like that. So I guess watch me do the process. So I usually just play around with these for a little bit, and then I just push it to the side and then start blowing, and then push down and then go. And that'll just help get the dirt out. Sometimes blow on the back, so there's dust in the back too. And then play around with it a little bit. Then what else? I guess if this is dirty, I guess clean it a little bit, Clean this if it's dirty. Grab this, wipe it down if you want. And then, grab the other one, clean it. And then grab this, the front piece, check it if it's dirty. If it's not, just wipe it down a little bit. And then, I guess put it back in its holder. Make sure you put it neatly, because not can go very badly. Okay, in perfectly. Oh yeah, and one other thing. Where's my tops? Put these on. Make sure that you put these on. Don't forget to put these on. Mess around with it. Make sure everything works. And then you grab the cover. Put it on. Mess around with it again, I guess. And then I guess the screws again. Just the same process. Yeah, today was pretty, I guess, chillaxing day, cause with with this stuff going on right now, can't really do anything. So, all I did today was, play some Xbox. If you guys want to go, sometimes I stream live. If you guys want to go watch that, it's on Mixer. My name is Bubba Killer. Um, it's Bubba Killer. Just look up on Mixer. Sometimes, I'll post on Instagram or Snapchat. Go follow me on Instagram and then on Snapchat. And sometimes I'll post when I'm going live on Mixer. So yeah, that's how you would know, or I would just sometimes get on there. But most of the time I post when I'm gonna get on. So yeah, today just hung out, watched Netflix, played a little bit of GTA. Mostly that's all it. And I got pretty bored playing, so I took this out and started just doing it. Yeah, next upload, I'm not sure when, but just make sure you turn on notifications so you get the notification I uploaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws in, and then back these things on too. I like black on white, so I had a black controller, so I took those off and then put the white ones on them, and then put the black ones on here. Just wait until it snaps, and that's when it's on. There. Like nothing. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.